We're
Can you give him a
videotaping.
kiss?
Yeah.
Give him a
Yeah.
kiss. Go ahead, here. No, you don't have to get up because you have to be his level. Go ahead, give him a kiss. Look, I'll give him a kiss.
Not you.
Mwah! Not you. Now your turn.
Me.
Yep. That's not a kiss.
Not kiss.
You gotta give him a kiss with your lips, like this. You do it.
Aww.
Did you kiss baby? Look at tell Grammy.
Yeah.
Tell Grammy.
Did you kiss him?
Yeah.
Did he like it?
Yeah.
I think he likes you, Nicholas. Here, you know what he likes, Nicholas?
Yeah.
Want to show him his ball? He loves his ball. I don't know where the other one is.
Give it to him.
He likes the other one more, but...
Got it.
Logan, look, hold it up in front of him.
Logan. You want your ball, Logan? Gotta give it to him. Is that you're fussy?
He could start getting hungry. Is that funny, Nicholas?
Look at him looking at Nicholas.
He likes you, Nicholas.
Me?
Yes, you. He likes you.
Look at him.
Not high.
There's your tiger. Tell him. Say it's okay, Logan. Tell him.
I'm tired.
He's trying to talk to you, I think.
Mom, touching my boobies.
I'm touching your boobies. Great.
You.
I don't touch my boobies.
I don't know if I believe her, but
You're obsessed with boobies.
I saw Katie today when I was running.
Don't play my super round. Don't play my super.
Is that your silly laugh?
Mom.
What's your silly laugh, Nicholas?
That.
What would you like that for?
Fireworks.
With the fireworks?
Yeah.
You didn't like them?
Pink.
They were pink
And purple.
and purple?
Why didn't you like the fireworks, Nicholas?
Blue.
Why didn't you like them?
What's the matter, Papa?
Should Grammy start your baba?